Veganish.
This is live or this is on my phone?
It's on your phone.
Okay, stop. Vegan tacos. Oh, we're doing two things at once, right? We're gonna make vegan tacos here. So let's flip the camera around.
We got some juices for you today.
Oh
you remember
yeah,
me?
they're awesome.
Everything
Yes, they
Sauce.
were awesome.
We got you. They were awesome.
Heck yeah.
Okay.
So real quick, we use these taco shells, right? Because they're gluten free. It doesn't mean anything, but we like the corn tortillas. Like after a while, if you eating different stuff, you learn what you like. I like corn tortillas. These are good too. This is the white kind. We use that too as well. And we mainly sell these though. This is our preference. This costs a little bit more, but it tastes better. This is your go-to Ortega, right? They're not as greasy as, what's the other one that you don't like? El Paso?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's El Paso, whatever, the taco shells. Like, we like crunchy tacos for the most part, so we make our own. Or you can make your own. I mean, hold on one second. Oh, you can't hold this at the same time. Hold on, pause. Ain't no pause on this. Oh, there's no pause on this. Oh, well, you can't see the other kind we use. But anyway, we use different kinds of inserts to go inside your taco. So this is jackfruit with some seasoning from our jackfruit king friend. You know what I mean? Shout out to jackfruit king. This is alpha crumbles. Normally we use like Gardein, but you can use any brand you want, right? Here goes another brand. Let me show you real fast that we use. Life Light. You can't go wrong with them. That's a good brand to use. Just for crumbles. Just as quick. Oh, I'm sorry. Right. I'm sorry. I'm on two different times.
So this is what we were just talking about in the video.
Right. Yep. And then if you watch our transition to the
Alpha.
Right. And then we got the Alpha brand too as well. So that's the Crumble.
In the pot today.
Yeah,
Alpha Crumble.
that's the Crumble that goes in there too. So you can go wrong with that.
And it's really good.
Yep. And then we don't like that stringy cheese. So we put a little bit coconut oil in there, and then you put some butter. We use Earth Balance butter. And then we melt our cheese down, and you put on a nice slow simmer, and you add a little bit of whatever type of milk, vegan milk you like, to give it that creaminess. Plant milk, I like that. You put a little plant milk in there, and it gives it that creaminess, right? Then you want to heat up a pan up so you can be ready with your tortillas, right? So this video can pause. 1 second. One's pause and one's not. Something like that. So you throw that on top of there. Don't worry about that. Let that sit. So you want to let that sit there. You want to let these sit there for a minute and some change each side, right? We don't need none of these other items on. We were just warming stuff up to make this video, right? This is the cheese brand that we're using, right? This is like the best melting cheese for us right now. Yeah, it's been melting really good. So we've been using it in a lot of stuff. We also use Rooted Delights. Those are our people. Yeah, those are our people. So you flip those a couple of times. Excuse my hands.
Your cheese is awesome.
I got the matte hands. And then you chop up this, right? So let me show you this. And I also put sea moss in our cheese at different times, depending on when I'm cooking it or what I feel like. We had sea moss this morning, so I'm not really worried about it, but I do throw that in as a thickener.
We put it in everything.
Yep. Lettuce is done. Take that's brown on that side. Bam, I'll just get that out the way. I'm gonna cut up a tomato, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not really too much to this. So what I like to do is grab a little bit of cheese, right? Make sure it's not too together. And, I already did. I wanted to use the other side, but whatever. It's okay. Almost got it on your phone, huh? I'm a little messy chef when I want to be. It's only because I got this phone in my hand. What's a good phone holder too? Our two hands plus his baby is not working. We can't keep doing this. We're our own cameraman and woman around here.
We're our own everything.
Oh. Only operating officer in this joint. Not a CEO, not a CFO. Oh. The only operating officer. You like that, huh? All right. I got it. Man. Multitask. So you take that off. I was just doing that. It's really not that noisy. I just wanted you to think it was noisy.
Alright, so we're adding the jackfruit.
So we're gonna make a jackfruit one. We're gonna make two different ones to show them the different kinds of tacos. This is a cooking demonstration real fast.
I'm just saying what it is.
Oh yes, thank you.
The crumble.
And the crumble, right? Just throw it on there like that. It's really that simple. It's really that simple. I mixed it, my fault. And then for us, we use the Everythang Sauce. Bam, bam.
For everything.
For everything, right? Man, throw that on
We eat
there.
it every day.
We really do. You can put it in anything you want. And then all you do is lay it. Now, if you were making the Berea tacos, which we'll make a video for that to show you how to do that. We're gonna do that probably in our Veganist Mastery. And you just put it in there like that, and you let it get crisp on one side, and then you flip it over. That's pretty much it for making a taco. We don't want to take too much of your time to show you how to make a taco, but we just want to show you that it's not hard to make a vegan taco. You just kind of fill it and put whatever else in there that you can. That is an alternative. Again, here goes a couple of different alternatives: the jackfruit, the crumble, you got the vegan cheese, bam, you got that right there. As far as this lettuce goes, we're gonna put that on the side and make a little salad. So give me 1 second, I'll show you how that looks if you want to see that. Yeah, on the side. Okay. I'm not putting that inside. That would be too much.
And these are scallions. I never know how to cut these right, so let me get my lesson too.
Ooh, get your lesson. Well, first you want to cut the butts, and then you want to peel off anything that's excess or extra. You don't need all that. You know, just peel that down. And that's the good thing about most vegetables. They're pretty resilient. So where it looks dark or looks nasty to us, we don't like.
Can you show us what you're peeling off?
It's just a barrier. It's just a film, a skin, a coat of skin. If it comes off. This one didn't have it. Yes, it did. That one right there.
Oh, so peel that off before you cut it.
Off. Yeah, that's all.
Or after you cut that.
You can eat it. All vegetables is edible. Even the brown stuff on the vegetables is edible. Might make you run to the bathroom a little faster, but you'll be alright. There's nothing wrong with it. All vegetables are edible. Now, if they smell bad, that's another thing. You don't want to smell bad. I mean, something wrong with it. Well, let's flip these tacos real quick.
You should have used the large.
You said al dente. She said al dente. Don't try that at home with your hands either. That's just me. That's just me. Don't do that.
Use a spatula.
Yeah, use something, please.
I was saying that maybe you should have had the large cutting board.
Oh yeah. Well, I wasn't expecting to do this. I was gonna cut the video at right there when I made those. It was brief, but then I started talking about salad, and then we got to eat a salad anyway. So, and then we got our other tacos. You want to see our other tacos? Hold on, we be cooking. Hold on, hold it right there. We be cooking. 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 We got a few. We got a couple. This is not the. That's not the other one. That was just the one.
I'm supposed to be eating these.
Yeah. These are getting warm. And then we did a demo. Come on, work with me now, lady. Alright, so the scallions are done. I mix those into a little salad like this. Keep it simple.
So you don't use that side?
I can if I want to. I just didn't.
I'm just asking.
I mean, now that you asked, it is what it is. Maybe I will put it in.
I
might put it on the top. This is my mixing part. I'm not going to use all the tomato either right this second.
Gotta educate the people.
Educate the people. The whole point was how to make a taco. Okay, so we just blend all that together. Gonna hit that with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil spray. Can't go wrong with that. We like to season our vegetables. We use a little bit of 21 seasoning, Trader Joe's salute. You don't need a lot. I'm not really going for salt, just flavoring. And then we use avocado, guacamole.
Yeah, I like the fresh avocados. They're my fave.
Oh, not no more of this. And normally we put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I don't think we have any left in here. If there's a splash, then we might get that. Oh, there's a splash. Splash. That's it. That's it. Alright, so this is done. Let's get these out. Those are looking nice. Alright, so this is the finished product of this. Can't really go wrong. You take those two, throw those on there, and add a little salad on the side. Can't go wrong. Veganish Foodies. I mean, I'm gonna get a star. That's vegan. That's all vegan right there, so that's gonna get you a star at least.
But what I've been confused about is the Michelin star comes from the Michelin tire people.
No. Okay, we're gonna get off of this because the idiot is trying to confuse y'all with this. Oh my goodness. No. It's actually a prestigious ranking.